share with you a pretty great product that I was sent for free from the brand Dot&Dot, and it's this clear PVC vinyl clear backpack, which is actually really nice. So these retail for 20 bucks on Amazon, although you can also buy them on their own website, Dot&Dot.travel.com. Has a little tag on the back here. But I really like this. This is something that, especially in our current world today, whenever things do calm down from all the virus mess and things start to open back up and events are happening again, remember there was the whole thing where bags that aren't clear have been banned from like stadiums and from a lot of concerts? This is a perfect solution for that because it's a clear bag, it's spacious enough, it falls under a lot of the size guidelines. I mean, there's some venues that they require smaller. You would have to check your venue to know, but this is a 17-inch backpack, so just saying, most of them, it passes muster. But it's also great for like the TSA at the airport because it's clear. You don't have to unpack it. When they're clear bags, you can just put it on the conveyor belt for TSA and it goes right through. So for me, between those two things, this is ideal. Now, it also expands a good amount. I'm trying to do it without anything in it right now, and it's a little difficult, but like the bottom expanded goes to this wide, so the whole thing does too. Both sides have spaces for like a water bottle or generally anything you want to stick there. You could put your phone in there if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it just because of safety. You could put all sorts of things there, but what I like most about this and why I like it specifically for like the TSA thing is the inside part here. This pocket on the inside is a laptop compartment. Now, I haven't tried to put mine specifically into here yet, so this may go disastrously. It may be too big. I'm gonna try it, but I think it's gonna fit. Oh, I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna. I think it just cleared it. Yes! Perfecto! Okay. So we got that in there. Awesome! So it fits, it's securely snug in there inside that pocket, so it's not gonna like jostle around or anything, and you still have all this room in front of it, in the bag, to use whatever you want in there. That is freaking fantastic, if you ask me. Not to mention the fact that because it's made out of PVC vinyl, that makes it waterproof, so I mean, if you send your kid to school with this in the rain, it's not going to soak through and get their books wet or anything, or alternately, I mean, if there's a spill onto it, or from the inside out, I mean, it's not going to go through, and it'll make cleanup a breeze. All you have to do is just wipe it clean. I had one plastic backpack as a kid like this, and loved it, and for some reason never had one again. And I like the fact that it's just black and clear because it makes it mature enough to where an adult can use it, but at the same time there's no reason why a kid couldn't either. And the straps are nicely padded. I mean, I know it doesn't look like it here, but I've tried it on and they're adjustable like with any backpack. I really like this. I think this is fantastic. I highly recommend it. I was really excited when they reached out and offered this to me because, like I said, the whole thing with the clear bags and venues, that already seemed like a great thing because I actually never had a clear bag to bring to concerts. So I've just done without in the years that that's been a thing. So now I have one that I can potentially use and, you know, be able to buy merch and put it somewhere other than just in my arm all night. Fantastic! I'm so freaking happy. And the best thing of all with this, and this is a big one to me, especially being somebody who's generally sensitive to like the plastic smell. Admittedly, day one, when I very first opened it, it did have a bit of the plastic smell, but it wasn't overwhelming. So I sat it aside for a few days. There is literally no residual odor at all at this point. Now, I find that highly rare when it comes to this kind of thing made of this material. I've never encountered one that lost the plastic smell that fast, but I am so freaking grateful and just blessed that that's a thing, because it means I can use it. The ones where that stays a thing permanently, those are generally out of the question because I'm just too sensitive to that smell to be able to handle it. But this is perfect. Thank you again to the brand for sending this to me. I'm going to include an affiliate link down below in the description of this video if you guys want to buy one for yourself. I believe there's a 5% off coupon right now on Amazon, just on the website, that you can opt into to get it for a little bit cheaper too. I mean, not a bad idea to have one of these for, like I said, for school, for the TSA at the airports, for concerts, sporting events, you name it. There's all sorts of things you can do with one of these. I mean, when the beaches open back up, it'll make a great beach bag because it's not going to get sand inside of it, and you're not going to drip your wet bathing suit or anything into the car. It'll be all contained in here, and you'll be able to just wipe it clean after. It's fantastic! Everybody should have at least one of these. Just saying. So, anyways, that's about all I have to say for this one, but I really, really like this. I wouldn't be preaching it to you guys if I didn't honestly feel that, so I just wanted to share that with you. So, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.